Hi, this video is a continuation of the last video that I showed great Power Apps examples. In this one, I will demo a few others for you to see some more of what can be done with Power Apps. This first app is an app that a hotel could create to track the suite's availability. So here you have the list of all of the suites. Here you can see the status if they are available or not. You can click here to see the ones that are available or the ones that are occupied. You can search. You can click on individual suites. You can see here, you can make a reservation. When, who is doing the reservation. You can edit the property, inform more details. And you can see the contacts, each person, and the information about them. And you can also edit the contact. This other application is a customer success application. You can see the names of each of the customers, the contacts on each of those companies. You can click on one of them and see all of the details on the relationship with that customer. You can see the revenue, the feedback. You can see how many service usages. You can see how many work orders, how many sales orders. You can see the recent opportunities. You can open the customer documents. You can also add a customer feedback. And you can add a new opportunity. Now imagine that you work for a company that sells floor. You could build a phone application like this to estimate the cost for each of the customers. So here you can add a customer, and then you can click on the customer and begin an estimate. So let's say this first project is My Beautiful Floor. And then we're going to say it's 100 feet by 150. We select the floor style. Let's say this one. We could add photos as well, and then review the estimate. It gives how much it's going to cost, and then you can submit the estimate to the customer. Now take a look on this asset reservation application. Here there is a list of the products that you can make a reservation, people that made reservations, the name of the person. So Emmer made a reservation of a notebook, when it started, how many days, when it's going to be returned. You click on New, and you make a new reservation. You inform the name of the person. You can find here the product. Let's say I'm going to make a reservation of the LCD monitor. Then I can inform here when it starts, for how many days. Here you can see reviews, what each person informed about the product, also with the rating. And you can also visualize some charts in Power BI. You could use Power Apps to create a help desk ticket application. This one, you can log in as a user or as an admin. You can click here to create a ticket, inform the title, the category, the priority, the description of your ticket. Now let's take a look at this leave request application. You can log in as an employee, and then here you're going to see your leave requests, the ones that are pending, approved, declined. Here in my leave balance, you can see how many vacation days you still have, how many sick leave days, and all of the others. The company holidays, you can click Create Request, inform the type of request that you are doing, let's say vacation, inform the dates, inform the details, and then you submit the request. And take a look at this nice fundraiser application to track donations. Here on the left side, you see the name of the fundraisers, the storm relief, like the scholarship fund. Here you can see the name of the people that donated and how much each one of them donated. You can see the ones that are awaiting payment, the paid donations. Here you can see some charts. You can see that education is the category with the biggest amount. You can click on fundraisers to get some details on the fundraisers, the goal for each one, the total donations for each of them. If you click on one of them, you can see some details and even a video. And here on donations, you can see a list of all of the donations. You can also click each of the person. And you can also click here to see a Power BI dashboard report.